Very warm welcome. Today we are going to discuss about one cloud skill whose a function calling grounding Google search data research. So let's try. So we have a one public company goes public, and there are we talk about stock market, U.S. Stock market security and exchange commission. There are annual report is there. So how we want to deep dive how what is the structure of this AI and what is can go to US security and code and deep dive what is the security domain and they provide some API. Here you can they provide some company fact names. This way you can fetch this information Gemini. So in this particular lab we directly fetch this data and solve our particular business. Basically we get a one to make our decision in or better and AI powered decision. Yeah, in particular lab we are discuss about this thing. I hope you see our previous video where we explain what the function calling tool tool in our Gemini. So in this video we are going this you both to we try to get one search tool. Lab will take meanwhile we will go through the what task we complete. First one is go to Vertex AI Note where we can found this generative AI Jupyter Lab and open security feeling lab. Right click on OK. Basically, we need to create a one files. Try to open this incognito. So that's why if you count and your cloud skill count it conflict. So just on I understand terms and I agree. Yeah, Vertex AI perfect. Now let's see Vertex AI and click on open Jupyter. First thing we need to get this node security IPY notebook file. So let's go to our Vertex AI workbench. It will take couple of minutes to start our Jupyter. Go file new Jupyter lab. If select kernel as Python, rename it. So basically Python, Python code to here we use OS library, date and put Vertex AI mode. Next thing parameter product ID. Our location is initialized. Like our first task is what is the next. So the following basically variable that based did. Okay, we didn't deep dive into this code otherwise. There's a high level download single like URL PIK text key for the company form data date file extension is a in return file path the output. Another one is the down range field starting year quarter is a here we okay, so basically here we give hard code the we give alphabet PIK we call this file. So where is particular file path of path. Now we object use here we pass temporary pass para okay maybe okay now my model object is successfully now I pass this particular read the content store this context and pass this what are the total count we need to count the how many token we pass to the LLM. Here we can see the token count per output. Okay, to check we need to wait couple of let's return again. Ask is management operation. Copy paste this. Also we need so a second task also come. What is the summit of each we are interested will text here we can let's yeah index so we'll found the ACC for our prompt. So here we look CIK. We'll take company first CIK. Company name and CIK here call the LLM call. Here we can use particular client object. We use search tool as a try to fetch data. Okay, here you can fetch the result thing two things. How we need to declare Okay, this task is redefine another. Here means different was basic was B. Here we give some also. Here we use as a sum. Now, how do alphabet disk? Basically, we ask this particular based on our prompt, it will the result. They try to their function working in correct way. Okay, now it's working. We ask another question. Let me click on control. Let's check the entire process here 100. Okay, it will take couple of. Let's to rerun previous command. Okay, this one. Perfect. Let's rerun this. Okay, this task is not go to folder task 4 again. Define define S other. Okay, yeah, perfect. Here you can see the entire code is available. Please think out regard. Yeah, write it in comment. Okay, let me first clear the lab. You face this type of yeah, here you can see that out open.